Hi guys, in this session I will give you short introduction about Angular. Let me start. First, what is an Angular? Angular is an open source framework for develop the reactive single page application. This is leading front-end development framework and regularly updated by Google. The initial version of Angular is Angularjs. From Angular 2 version it's called Angular. There is some difference between AngularJS and Angular. I will explain you. AngularJS works on MVC. It uses scopes and controller, but Angular uses components and directives instead of using the scope and controller. AngularJS written in JavaScript, but Angular is written in TypeScript. AngularJS applications are not mobile friendly, but Angular applications are mobile browser friendly. In AngularJS, using this for bind the data between view and model. In Angular, using three things, and first one is used for event binding, second one is used for bind the attributes, and third one is used for binding the data between view and model. In AngularJS, not follow the dependency injection system, but Angular used a hierarchical dependency injection system. In AngularJS, using root provider for configuring the routing information, but Angular uses the root module for configuring the routing information. AngularJS project is difficult to manage with increasing size of the source code, but in Angular, Angular code is better structured, so it is easy to create manage bigger applications. Then what is single page application? Single page application is a web application or website. It has menus, buttons and other components. When we click on the menu, only content will be changed. But in normal web application, browser will refresh on every navigation. I will show you example for SPA in real time. Angular.io is an official website for Angular. This is best example for single page application. Here you can see the difference. I will click this menu. Now only the content is changed, but browser not refreshed. This is a normal application. Here I will click this menu. You can see now browser is refreshing, but in single page application browser not refreshed. REST service integration. What is REST service? REST service is a service that may be written in any programming language like Java or .NET or any other language. That service has the actual functionality of application like get the data and store it in database, then return the response. REST service can consume and produce the data in JSON or text or XML format. Most preferred format is JSON. Angular provides the HTTP module for communicating with the REST service. By using this, we can do all this stuff with REST endpoint. See this image. There is bidirectional communication happening between component to service and service to REST service. The HTTP client module injected in service. Through the HTTP client, service communicate with the REST service. Then we can see how to install Angular. When we are planning to develop an Angular application, we should install it. Before we start to install the Angular, we should install the node in our machine. Here you can download and install the node. After completing the node installation, open the node command prompt. In that, run this command to install the Angular CLI. Thank you guys. I hope you got some basic understanding about Angular. In next video, I will show you how to create the Angular application. Thank you.